Okay, I'm gonna open it up in OneNote. This is the question, and I'm gonna state all of my values and the notation that I'm gonna be using for them. You're probably gonna have to like switch up the notation a little bit. Sorry, not the notation, the values, because different values. So first thing that I'm gonna put is I'm gonna put the M1, which M1 is gonna be equal to the mass of this first box, which for me was 2.22 kilograms, and then we're gonna do M2. I am skipping all of the I guess units, but that's just because we're adding and multiplying and stuff, and it doesn't really matter as long as we know what the final unit is. And then I'm gonna do mu s, and this is gonna be the friction between the two blocks. Okay, that is the first value that they give you right there. Mu s is going to be for me 0.606, and then we have mu k, which is going to equal 0.144. And then we have d, which is the distance. Oh, sorry, I forgot to say mu k is the friction between M2 and the floor, and it should be right there. Okay. Anyways, and then d is going to equal for me 2.87 meters, and that's going to be right there. Okay, so the equation that we're going to be ultimately using is this one. D is equal to V naught T plus 1/2 acceleration T squared. Now we can right away sub in whatever values we have. So for example, 2.87 is equal to 0 because we don't have an initial velocity. So 0 plus 1/2 AT squared. Now we need to get a variable for A so that we can actually solve this equation. And what we're going to do that through this specific equation. So we are going to do, I'm just going to skip through all of the equalization and like just straight go up to the simplification. And the simplified version is A is equal to mu s times M1 G minus mu K times G, and then M1 plus M2. Okay, and then all of that, I suck at straight lines apparently, divided by M2. And then we can sub in our values. So A becomes equal to 0.606 times 2.22 times 9.81. So yeah, we do include gravity not as a negative. Just note that. And then we keep going, 9.81, 3.59, by M2, which is 1.37. Now I got 5.92. You go ahead and you plug that in. When you plug that in, you want to plug into the equation over here, which again was 2.22 is equal to 1/2 a t squared, which is now going to equal to 1/2 5.92 t squared, which is eventually going to equal, I think it was 0.98. 0.985 is equal to t. Just simple rearrangement. And yeah, that's how you do it.